I finally resolved my C-pillar and upper rail noise. This was a clicking sound. I'll prepend a video that shows the sound, and it took at least 4 attempts to get this right. I took this to the service center and they tried to fix it twice, and then I tried twice again. And what I'm going to do is share with you what it is that the service center did and what I did, and hopefully this will help you solve the same issue. So we'll start with what the service center did. They added noise insulation material here, inside here, up here, on this wire, on this, over here, and then also behind the airbag up here. But that wasn't enough. That didn't solve the issue. So I thought I had found it, and I thought it was this wire here that was touching this, and actually it did make a clicking sound. I moved the wire, but this clicking sound still persisted, so it wasn't this wire. But I went ahead and added Tesa tape to it. I then added, here's the stuff I did. I added tape here, over here again. I extended the tape that the service center had added all the way to the back. I also put some tape here. And that still didn't fix the clicking sound. And eventually I figured out it was coming from here, behind the C-pillar. So I removed this and I put some tape back here, and also a bit of foam back here, and you cannot see it, but there's some foam back here. Okay, the clicking sound was gone, but now I heard a crinkly sound, or a crackling sound, and I'll try and replicate that. And that sounded like this, but a lot louder. And actually, I suspect it's the airbag, rubbing against the metal here, the metal housing, when the car flexes. So I went in, and there's actually a metal housing here. I've added the tape, the Tesa tape over here. There's another metal housing in here, I think. Right here, I added tape. This part was also crinkling and crackling, and touching this. Added tape, and what do you know? I'm noise free. So I'm going to go ahead and add the reattach the trim piece, which, by the way, I have also added some insulation there, and I'll show you what I've done there. So the service center added this. I added all of this and this. There was some play here, so I added some tape. The service center had done this on a previous visit. This is how the car is delivered, so I didn't have to do anything here. I added these pieces, and then there was some play here, so I added this tape, and that was all it took. And I'm noise free now. I'm extremely happy.